Hello everyone, welcome back to the Glitch Sip channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Mythril, this mineral right here that you can see on the screen. Let's try to find it. Here it is. This is Mythril. Now, I'll explain how to obtain Mythril in a much easier way inside the forge. The first thing you need is this pickaxe, the Arcane pickaxe. Basically, it's one of the best pickaxes in the game, except for the ones found on the third map. Even so, this pickaxe is still very good, especially for the second map, which is where we are right now. Next, you need to buy mining potions and luck potions. After that, enter the cave. Inside the cave, you need to go to specific locations. These locations give you much higher luck to find Mythril, since it's a legendary mineral and harder to obtain. You'll enter this part of the cave and go down to this area. This zone is also very good for farming minerals, but the downside is that the rocks respawn very fast and there are usually other players mining them. However, here you can find volcanic rocks, which give you a better chance to obtain rare minerals faster. The only bad thing is that these rocks have a lot of health, so you need a lot of patience to mine just one. That's why I highly recommend using both the luck potion and the mining potion. This will make it much easier to find Mythril. Basalt rocks and basalt cores are also important. When combined with these potions, they greatly increase your chances of getting Mythril more easily. Of course, this still depends a lot on luck and patience. As you can see, in this case, I found a legendary rock, and the same can happen with Mythril. It's just a matter of patience and time. Another tip is mining multiple rocks at the same time, like this. This gives you more chances to obtain rare minerals. It won't work every time, but it definitely helps. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Glitch Sip.